Even if AI is taking over, learn these 5 skills before 2027 or be left behind. In 2027, there will be 2 types of people: those making more money than ever and those wondering how it happened. And the difference won't be luck, it will be the skills they learned. I have a friend, smart, educated, hardworking. In 2023, he said, I am safe, I have a stable job. But in 2025, his company downsized. He wasn't fired because he was bad. He was replaced because he was replaceable. That's the part nobody tells you. The internet doesn't pay you for effort, it pays you for leverage. If you don't learn valuable skills now, 2027 and beyond will feel more expensive. The number 1 skill I want to recommend to you is attention control. When you have something to offer, people pay attention. If you can't hold attention for just 5 seconds, you cannot hold money. You have to understand that attention equals income. But attention without sales is noise. That brings me to the second skill, which is sales and persuasion. 2 people sell the same product. One makes $300, the other makes $30,000. Same product, different persuasion. If you are not comfortable selling, you are comfortable staying broke. Every ad you have ever clicked worked on you. Now imagine attention with persuasion. The third skill is personal branding. 5 years ago, nobody knew most of the content creators you watch today. They were not special, they were consistent. If nobody knows you exist, nobody pays you. Learn to brand yourself. Authority positioning is very important. Carve a niche for yourself and be intentional about it. But none of this works if you can't communicate visually. The fourth skill is video editing. Let me be honest with you. In 2027 and beyond, the invisible people will struggle. Video is not the future, it is the present. Small business owners are losing customers because someone else learned CapCut. We are in a generation of sound and sight. The beauty people see in your product and services equals your income and retention. The internet pays for clarity. Video editing creates clarity and the pace of your story. Finally, the skill that protects you no matter what changes is adaptability. The people who suffered most during every economic shift were not the least intelligent. They are the people who were slow and refused to adapt to change. Comfort is expensive. Learn to adapt to change and execute faster if you want comfort to be less expensive. Here is the saving grace. None of these skills require degree, connection, and permission, but discipline. The hard truth is, most people won't do it. The question is not whether this skill work. The question is, will you learn these skills? A few months from now, 2027 will arrive whether you prepare or not. You can either scroll or skill up. Let me know the skills you are starting this week in the comment section. I will be glad to share my thoughts with you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow all my pages for more content like this.